right, we're not the only ones bracing for the second round of winter storms tonight. 40 million Californians are under some kind of weather advisory. Welcome back. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
And I'm Anna Laurel. Southern California is under its second ever blizzard warning, and the San Bernardino Mountains are under their first. CBS 8's Jesse Pagan is here showing us the storm's effects across the entire state. Jesse, I bet you're seeing some incredible video.
Yeah, they sure are. Anna, Carlene, Evan, and Sean have actually been talking, keep tabs on 3 rounds of storms this week, and we are in the middle of that second round. The thing is, the bands of severe weather are so big, they're really sweeping through chunks of California every time, bringing some historic weather all throughout the state.
How often does it snow in Southern California?
We know it can happen, but it's been a while since it's come down like this. The San Bernardino Mountains are already covered in snow as forecasters expect another 3 to 4 feet.
This is very unusual. I've lived in Southern California my whole life. Never been in a snow flurry before.
The storm's been causing rough roads, especially through mountain passes and high elevations, where the National Weather Service predicts winds could reach 75 miles per hour. California Highway Patrol officers escorted drivers through I-15's Cajon Pass today after several accidents.
Slow on the accelerator. Don't make any sudden movements because the loss in traction could cause you to spin out.
The white SUV looked like it slid over 2 lanes.
And if it's not snow, rain is going to come down. Los Angeles County is under a flash flood warning until 10 o'clock tonight, with inches of rain leaving the LA River bloated. And farmers in the Central Valley, California's agriculture hub, are doing what they can to make sure their crops survive.
About 80% of the world's supply of almonds are grown right here in the Central Valley. We don't usually get the very cold weather here. It's very unprecedented for us. If we do get a lot of rain or hail here, it could be extremely detrimental.
Now, the storm is going to keep our temperatures 10 to 25 degrees below normal. Once it's done here, forecasters expect it to bring tornado threats to Oklahoma by Sunday and snow to the northeast by next week. You guys?